Welcome back, guys. Cryptofly channel. Today we'll talk about a Near protocol, Near Coin USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. All right, guys. The crazy capitulation can be to $1.2375. Do I believe in these targets? Of course not. Not now. Maybe in the future, yes, but not now. I don't think so. The Near will drop once again to the low of October 2023. Just to be honest, I think we just consolidate here and we'll form something like many tokens already formed, the local double bottom. So this one with a sweep of liquidity, of course, and we'll leave the liquidity in April and we sweep that liquidity in June. So basically the size of that double bottom will be straightforward to around $5, $4.89. It's a 0.5 low by FIB. What I tracked since the top in March 2021. I use the March 2021 because at that time, I start track this token, and we almost hit the 3.61 level FIB, almost 21.55. So $20 on the Binance, $20.59 was the all-time high for this token. Maybe the Near will hit the new all-time high again around 21.65. Finally we'll hit the targets, or 24.97. I don't believe in more crazy targets. That's why locally here, by the way, we dump it to the accumulation zone where that it was, by the way, the monthly gap test, and here also monthly gap. So this one already done, yes, this one already done also, and this one is above, like a magnet now, 355, 425. So this monthly gap like a magnet, this now like support. So if we'll see some bad news from Putin and Trump meeting, something bad, something really, for example, the bad, we can drop once again to close the monthly gap like $1.62, $1.58. Would be good. Basically, yes, for everyone who's still not in position. This is my take, so this monthly gap is also relevant. I hope we will not see that drop so low, but it's possible, guys. Take a look now. This was, by the way, the global 27 block, 27 level, like usually we're playing out with this zone like accumulation. Above, guys, we got also the monthly gap, like a main trigger, and maybe it will be the end of a cycle for this token. Maybe the Near will not hit the new all-time high, but the local one monthly gap like a magnet. Next one is fulfill like $10.12 and the test $1.61. Also, I'm more than sure we're gonna hit this target. It's not a big pump, from this current prices to $10 is like 271%. So many tokens already performed like this one in I don't know, in June. So it's not a big deal. And this was a weekly gap, also like $15. So just in case, guys, but if you believe in new all-time high, I think, yes, it's possible to see, and more than sure we're gonna pump over than $10 to sweep all of these not order flow, like actual highs, this one. So it's just a matter of time. And Near maybe will be one of the great performer this cycle. Now we just in consolidation. So price action looks like we start forming that double bottom, right? And straightforward to this target. After that, we maybe consolidate again and go higher and form a local head and shoulder, right? Reversal move on weekly time frames, guys, globally. So if you believe in Near, you can accumulate even now. I'm just wait, maybe because I wait because my investment portfolio already formed, and for me it don't make sense to hop in now in tokens just because we're at the chip price. The chip price also been here in October 2023 under $1. So now it's $2.75. So if, just personally my take, if the Near will drop to under $1.77, maybe I will buy it, like speculation. In priority now, of course, now it's ICP, Glimmer, and Arbitrum. Arbitrum, I wait not to buy and wait to sell. In priority, just to buy, accumulate ICP and Glimmer, these tokens. Take a look now with indicators, guys. By the way, sell, buy back, only buy back. So there's no main signal to buy yet. On the weekly, daily also here, buy, sell, take, buy back, sell, buy back. I wish to see the test of $2.20, maybe even lower. So 220, it's more than real to see. Take a look with ADZ direction. Daily, it's accumulation being now in just the middle, so this is not what we're looking for. Daily, we test the middle line on direction. It's not bullish, not bearish neither. And globally, this is why I believe in near here accumulation and accumulation. So we're still in accumulation, not even past the middle line on the direction. So time to hour will be here around the red line here and at the zone of fixation profit. Now nothing, not bullish, not bearish, but I think at 275 it's comfortable price to buy for a long run. So you accumulate 275. If we drop to $1.50, you accumulate it back again, equal amount of money. Your average entry will be, let's say, like $2.10. So for 20, you withdraw initial deposit with free tokens right to the new high or a new all-time high. Based on market mood and sentiment around, it's disbelief. So not overhype it, nothing. So no, I didn't even see a lot of bullish news about a new product. Looks like nothing. Nobody talk about it. So this is a disbelief. Maybe it's just on my feed, on Twitter, but not craziness about the near. This is capitulation. And also, I never seen the near in top gainers since March 24. The daily gainers even. Money power, no money inflow. This is what I don't like. The money inflow being last time in August 24, from $3, we pumped it to almost to $8. Now we at almost also $3, but no money inflow. Compare. So this was like $3.82, and we've been at the bottom with the money inflow. Now we lower, but higher on a market mood indicator, money power indicator, and without money inflow. Of course, would be much better if we will see something like this one, and new money inflow and go higher. But it is what it is, guys. We can't just adjust the market for us. The main accumulation, one and only, imagine one and only in history, and the Binance accumulation being in June. It's good, it's good. So $1.79 is comfortable price for the whales. It's good, it's good. That's why it's not a time to out of near. It's not a time, guys. I'm more than sure. Time to out will be at the top with the money outflow from that token. Take a look, guys. The last indicator is take profit. This is what I would like to show you. The zones, weekly time frame, we underrated because many tokens, like for example, if for example we count this like a local zone, and this is let's say high. So Ethereum around here, Solana already here, right, and near at the bottom. On the weekly time frame, we just still in range like a buy line and the fundamental value. So it's not bearish. It's not bearish. Buy line, take profit line 577. Exit line is 648. Let's hide the FIB. This one. It's on the weekly. So believe it or not, but we're gonna test at these lines sooner or later. Daily, I would like to see, of course, the sweep of this low. Like $2.20 would be good for entry, I guess. Lines are dynamic on 12 time frame. I think in the next few days, the buy line will be around $2.20. We're gonna sweep the low of $2.31, this one, and bounce to the take profit and exit lines. So guys, and now better wait. I will add alert to near take profit buy line. So sometimes, guys, better take a pause, look on the sideline on the market, and after that make a decision. If you feel comfortable for accumulation near to $2.75, you can accumulate. Guys, targets, you know, I think this stock will perform. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about near. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show it on this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.